Hi everyone! In today's video review, we are going to discuss the inflation situation in Japan, the reason for the Aussie drop, and the fears on Wall Street. Let's get cracking! Wall Street investors are getting worried as the FOMC meeting is approaching. Expectations of monetary policy tightening are very high. The US dollar index, on the contrary, is gaining momentum. Yesterday, it added 0.2%. In the morning, it rose slightly higher to 95.69. Currently, it's trading in the range of 95.30 and 95.90. It's likely to stay in this range until the Fed's meeting scheduled for next week. However, some analysts are betting on its further increase. The inflation situation in the United States and Japan is strikingly different. In the US, inflation soared to record highs, whereas in Japan, consumer prices were up by 0.8% on an annual basis. The Bank of Japan also keeps the negative interest rate at minus 0.7%. This is why it has no reason to make any adjustments to the parameters of monetary policy. For this reason, the yen is strong. At the same time, the dollar-yen pair is declining amid a drop in Japan's stock indexes. The Nikkei index lost 1.4% in the morning. After yesterday's breakout of 114.00, the pair is heading to 113.26. Now it's trading at 113.88. If it fixes below 113.26, it's sure to nosedive to 110.86. The Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its key rate decision only on February 1st. However, analysts have some thoughts on what to expect. The previous report showed that inflation reached 0.8% on a quarterly basis and 0.3% on an annual one. Of course, the regulator will mainly focus on the CPI index for the fourth quarter, which will be released on January 25. However, judging by the current situation and fundamental factors, the central bank is highly likely to complete its bond buying program. The Australian dollar keeps declining. The AUD USD pair is moving in sideways range of 0.7171 and 0.7255. It may resume growth if it breaks through its upper limit. However, as seen on the chart, the price continues to tumble despite several attempts to climb. Bears may push it even below the lower limit of the price channel, and it has already fallen to 0.7197. And this is the main news of the Asian session for now. Have a wonderful weekend and see you next review.